My name's Alexandra French and I'm a PA. My background's in internal medicine, but I'm trying to get into aesthetics. I like the artistic component of it. You know, in medicine it's pretty black and white at times, following algorithms, which is great as well, but it's fun to be able to look at a patient, decide what they need, and be able to use your own aesthetic eye. The course was great. The didactic helped me a lot because I was able to work on the anatomy, learn about the products before actually getting in there and deciding what I want to do to the patient and feeling more confident and ready, getting a feel of the products, the placement, the assessment, just a kind of beginner's hands-on. It was my first time injecting, so I was really nervous, but she was really calm, made me very comfortable. I was looking for a hands-on course. A lot of them didn't seem to have all the components that I was looking for, or didn't maybe make me feel as confident in the product, and I did a little bit of research and this seemed great, and it was, so it worked out.